Hi, this is Robb Franks with Impartner, and what I'd like to show you here is a round-trip integration that we've created for one of our clients from Impartner, logging the user into Cornerstone On Demand, and then pulling some of that information back into Impartner. So here we go. Let me show you what I've done. So the first thing I've done, I have a field here on this user. Let me just quickly refresh this. I'll scroll down here again and notice that I've got this value right within this field called not trained. Okay, so we're going to automatically populate a different value here based off of activity that this user performs within Cornerstone. Okay, and a couple other things that I've done is I've created a segment, and this segment is going to track the number of users that have that particular value. So let me just open this up. Using natural language, I just said, if this deal registration value is found within this field, go ahead and add that user to this segment. So you can see currently we have 0 people qualifying for this segment. And the other thing that I've done with that segment is I've tied it to the visibility of a piece of content. And I've done that, again, really quite easily. I'll just come in here to this edit mode. And if I scroll down here, you can see that I'm using that segmentation to control visibility of this particular asset. Okay? So let's prove that out. Let's go over here to that user again. And we're going to log in as that user. And if we come over here to resources, asset library, notice that this partner currently has access to no content. And we're going to go ahead and change that here in just a second. Okay, so let's click on training, right? Look at the URL. We're going to move out of Impartner and we're going to go ahead and move into Cornerstone. So this user is going to come down here. We're going to go ahead and start this training. So go ahead and launch it. So again, this is Cornerstone that you're seeing. Here's this training, and this training begins. Okay. So the way that I've set up this integration is to automatically occur within 1 minute of the start of this particular piece of training. So we just have another couple of minutes here for this to run in order for that integration to occur. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and close this, and we're going to wait just a minute or two. I think it's just 1 minute. And if we time it right, it might be even faster if we caught the integration midstream. So let's go take a look to see if we were lucky and to see if that integration updated on time or maybe even a little bit ahead of schedule. Let's go ahead and look at this user. Let's scroll down here to her profile. Yep, looks like it automatically updated. Okay, so you can see that that value, it initially said not trained. It now says that this person holds this training value. And let's go look at that in a couple of other different areas of our solution. Let's see if that segment updated. And let's go here. And yep, looks like we went from 0 to 1, so that's a good sign. And then our final prove is to go back to the user record. And now let's log in as that user to the portal. And now this user should be able to see that piece of content that now automatically appears based off of their eligibility within that segment. And that has occurred. So you can see here that with Impartner, we can leverage data that we consume from other sources, in this case, Cornerstone. We can tie those updates to segments, and then we can use those segments to drive visibility of content within the portal. Hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks so much.